Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Farhan bin Azmi. Today we're gonna introduce to you about the Cockroft Walten double voltage. This is my member, which is me, is Farhan Azmi. We have another presenter, Shahril bin Turung. We have Afiq Safiuddin, Akbar Shah, and Muhammad Aiman Noor. Okay, let's we go to the first introduction of Cockroft Walten voltage double. Okay, the classic multi-stage diode or capacitor voltage multiplier is promoted by Cockroft and Walten. This is possibly the most popular income of generating high voltage at low currents by using a low cost. Okay, it is used in almost every television set to produce the 20 until 30 kilovolt of second anode speed up voltage from a transformer tapping out of 10 to 15 kilovolt pulse. This is mean that the voltage from the input is at the low voltage and it come for the secondary output voltage, which is 2 times from the input voltage. Okay, for the next one, which is about it is low cost components and being easy to insulate. Next one is Cockroft Walten multiplier has the difficulty of having a very poor voltage regulation. That is, the voltage drop quickly as a function the output current. This shows that the voltage output is not exactly 2 times as the voltage input. Like for the voltage input is 3 kilovolt and the voltage output is not exactly the 6 kilovolt. This maybe has a voltage drop during the circuit and maybe around 5 to 5.9 kilovolt. It's not exactly the output of 2 times exactly. Okay, the last one is in some function this is an advantage. The output VI characteristic is unevenly hyperbolic, so it serves well for charging capacitor banks to high voltage at unevenly constant charging power. Okay, I go to the next member to introduce you about the circuit simulation.
Okay, now I'm going to discuss about, I'm going to tell about the objective of our project. Actually, the first is to design the Cockroft Walten double circuit by using PSpice. So we're going to using PSpice simulation to design, and another one to implement double circuit using hardware. So we're also using hardware to implement the design to observe the input and output voltage that obey the Cockroft Walten rule. So this is the simulation circuit. We put the AC voltage and capacitor, 2 capacitor and 2 diode, and then the output is at the capacitor side. So the simulation, the input is in AC, the output is in DC. So next, Afiq Safiuddin will tell about the output simulation.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq and I'm going to present about the simulation output waveform. So basically, Cockroft Walten is a SC to DC converter. So we supply an SC supply. So basically, this is the SC supply, which is the input of the Cockroft Walten. So and then this wave is output of the Cockroft Walten, which means it convert AC to DC supply. So basically, for the Cockroft Walten, we inject the voltage for 2 volt, and then the output voltage it should be 4 volt, but because of the voltage drop, it cannot achieve the 4 volt. So this is the waveform of the output, where you can see the ripple because of the circuit, and here we can see is the voltage max that produced at the output. So the graph is plot voltage versus time. So I would like to pass to Aiman Noor to explain.
Yeah. Okay, my name is Muhammad Aiman Noor. Okay, I will explain about the hardware. Okay, so as we already know, we use 2 diode, the black one, and 2 capacitor. to make the Cockroft Walten operate. And the red one is the positive from the supply, and the black one is the negative from the supply. We will implement the connection, refer to the circuit that my friend that already show. Okay, so this is the result from the oscilloscope. So for the yellow one is from the input, and the green one is for the output. So as we already know, Cockroft Walten doubler will the output will become double from the input, and from the experiment the output will not exactly be double because of the voltage drop that occur in the circuit. So for the video. Okay. So we can see from the green one, when it's increase, it means that the capacitor is charging, and if it's decrease, it means that the capacitor is discharged. So that's the operation of our circuit. I will pass to John to explain about the conclusion.
Okay, for my part, as a conclusion, as we all know, the Cockroft Walten doubler is proved to be the output voltage can be higher than the input voltage 2 times. It depends on the circuit, but it's not accurately because of the voltage drop, as my friend said. So there are the advantage and disadvantage of using Cockroft doubler. The advantage is using because it's low cost. As we can know, to produce a high voltage, it require a high rating transformer. So transformer is higher cost in industry, so we use Cockroft Walten doubler method. The disadvantage of this circuit is that it needs a protection for the circuit. For example, it has a low current and time delay that should be greater than the transformer. And the main problem is the cost depending on the capacitance to store the energy. So as we can see, the theory and the experimental value is not be the same because of the voltage drop and so on. So thank you guys.